What is good, everybody? Juma back at it again with another video. So today I try to keep it really simple. I am just going to talk about how I find value in stocks in the stock market. Keep in mind I do not trade any sort of crypto or um I don't trade ETFs or anything like that. Just basic understanding of how I basically find um, value in a stock and the stock market. So let's begin. So I've talked about this one multiple times. Well, a few times in the past. This one is Mara. Um, so the first thing that I look at is it bullish or is it bearish? And in this case, we can see that the stock has previously been trading at a bullish pattern, and recently started pulling on back after it hit 180-day highs at $58.25. And then earnings came and it pulled on back a little bit more. And it looks like it's kind of consolidating at the moment. But the only reason that I see value in this stock is because it has basically hit prices at around where support used to be, and this one offers a profit margin of about 37.22%. So that's a very big reason why I think this stock has a lot of value. um, and it has Mara is very known for like trading, in the 40s and the 50s, and to be able to find it at this price point right now, I feel like it's a very good entry level for those basic or those new traders, to put it that way, to be able to begin trading and start making money in the stock market. The second one is GoPro. So who wouldn't want to invest in a company that um that you use on a day-to-day basis, or maybe when you're going on vacation, or and would like to really like record those memories in your on your beloved GoPro. So GoPro also has been trading at a bullish pattern. We could see it took a little bit of a dip after it hit earnings, but then immediately recovered, hit upwards about 5.25%, maybe more roughly, as we can see here, and then it started maybe down, trending a little bit. But considering how good it has been doing, and as we can see, how it has hit earnings and pulls on back and then goes up, earnings pulls on back and then goes up. So I'm anticipating that maybe the same thing. We can never really um, guess the future or the fate of a stock, but more so maybe prepare for whatever could happen. So don't really go. I personally never enter with like a full on amount into the when I'm investing in a stock. And in this case, I would uh think that it is right now is a very good entry to get into GoPro. And to be able to get it at a price of just under $10. So that's very nice. Another thing is that it has, after it went, it took, it was overbought. It started trading above the SMA line again. So, um, oh my gosh, my charger. Okay. The next one is First Solar Inc. First Solar Inc. is one of my one of my like preferred ones. Only because um also, yeah, how it has been trading below, well, above the SMA line. Um, and so yeah, and we recently saw it pull on back, and it has been, maybe uh been like more so of like a roller coaster at the moment, but we can have like a general idea about how where the support and the if I can chart this real quick, where the support and the resistance level is currently. And if it, you know, say like if it hit previous resistance levels, it would gain you of about maybe 17, roughly 17% of a gain on this stock, which is beautiful, really beautiful. In the matter of it hitting 180-day highs, that offers just under 40%. So that's really nice. The next one I want to talk about is Twitter. Twitter has been going through a lot of controversy. People have been wanting to cancel it. There's like been a lot of rumors about how Twitter might really just keep on pulling back. But this is exactly why I don't really recommend going into a stock with a full amount, and not have any buying power left, because that would be very, very unfortunate. An unfortunate position to put yourself in. And so we can see here that Twitter has was very oversold after it hit earnings, and has been kind of showing a little bit of an uptrend. Please keep in mind that this can keep on pulling back because of the rumors that people have been talking about Twitter. But if it were to hit 180-day highs, it would offer just under 27%, as we can see there. And it also it was previously trading under the EMA line, but as we can see now, if I could just zoom in here, recently bounced and started trading above the EMA line, as we can see there. And yeah, Pinterest is one of my favorite stocks, only because of how solid it's been. The last time it hit its resistance, it was very near, I would say, or maybe of just about to the 180-day highs value of just under $90. And I personally think that this is a very good entry to come into. And as we can see also on the RSI and the MACD, if this can just like keep uptrending, then it would be absolutely beautiful. Spotify recently hit 180-day lows, so that is something to take into consideration. And the fact that it can hit, if it were to hit previous resistance levels, offers over 76%. So that is something very huge and something that I would pay attention to. Also, we can see the same thing with the RSI, how it has been, looks like it's going to keep uptrending. Also, like I said, never predict the future of a stock, but more so prepare for it. Apple is one of my favorite ones as well, because Apple is a very solid stock, and who doesn't have an iPhone? Where are my iPhone people at? And so yeah, Apple is one of my personal favorites. And the fact that it has been trading just above support levels makes me want to think that it's a very good stock to get into. And the fact that it has been showing an uptrend and then downtrend a little bit, and then this could pull on back all of a sudden, offer you of about a margin of 21.4%, as we can see there. And same thing we can see on the MACD, where it is just about to hit that red the red tick, and would signal a good buy. I'm going to make this half because it's too many stocks for me to talk about, so this is going to be my last one. Airbnb. Airbnb is one of notoriously known for when you're on a trip, or wouldn't you want to invest and get some money back on that house that you rented out for the day? I think that's pretty awesome. Airbnb has been recently hitting a downtrend, but we can see here that it has been hitting, it's more kind of like a hill, I would personally say. And we can see that, with its previous resistance levels, offers at about 41.49% of a return on the investment. And yeah, my bad, guys. And yeah, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that like button and click subscribe and turn on those notifications for me, please. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I would really appreciate the feedback. Easy.